So I have been looking at innovation and to try to generate a culture of innovation within the state laboratory. The creative problem solving end of it, when it was first introduced to me, I was a little bit apprehensive because it seemed a little bit fuzzy and woolly and all this kind of stuff, and it was telling you to go outside your comfort zone. And I'm a scientist, so I like kind of equations and problems and logic. And then they introduced this equation. So there was actually an equation for creativity, which was like fascinating me. So suddenly I was back into my comfort zone. I hope to bring some of these tools that I've learned into the lab and into solving problems within the lab. So because we work in a very high pressured environment, normally when you get a problem and you're sort of jumping straight to solution. But with the kind of creative problem solving and even the design thinking and the systems thinking, you spend so much longer in the problem space and actually defining the problem, and that actually gives you a much more tangible solution that I think will actually work. Do it, and it can seem a little bit overwhelming at the start, and it can seem intimidating. I know when I came in and when I thought of doing it, I did find it a little bit overwhelming at the beginning, but the structure of the course is really good. It doesn't go at too fast a pace. There's lots of interesting modules in it, lots of interesting people, like Shay and Paolo are brilliant. They're very good. They're really helpful. You can always ask questions, so there's lots of support there. So even if you feel overwhelmed at the beginning, there's a lot of support. So definitely do it, yeah.